Import a futuristic architectural photo and duplicate it to explore alternate versions. Use perspective warp to exaggerate the building's angles, as though stretching its ambition skyward. Apply a cybertoned color lookup adjustment, introducing metallic teals and electric blues. Take a soft brush and paint glowing lines along edges, mimicking artificial circuits running through the structure. Add noise to create texture that hints at weathered metal or advanced alloys. Increase clarity and texture in Camera Raw to highlight the sharp geometry. Then lightly darken the sky to make the architecture appear even more striking. When you export, imagine the structure transitioning from blueprint to prototype, ready to exist in a yet unbuilt city.